Have you ever dreamed of a career in the concert industry, but never knew how to turn that dream into a reality? The UC Theater's Concert Career Pathway Program is a free 9-month job training program available to young individuals ages 17 to 25 in the Bay Area. Complete with comprehensive training, workshop series, industry tours, networking opportunities, and paid internships, this program strives to educate and diversify the next generation of industry professionals. Our curriculum helps develop the skills necessary to be successful in the modern workplace, providing professional opportunities that both empower young people and strengthen the local economy. Interns work alongside the UC Theater staff to learn best practices in marketing, production management, talent buying, event coordination, live sound engineering, lighting design, and much more. Visit our website to find out more information about how you can become a part of our program.